In this video, I will show how to make header row visible in Excel. So click on this View tab and select your row, freeze pen and click here. Keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. So click on it. Now scroll. So header row will be visible. You want to make two rows visible. So select this third one. Firstly unfreeze, now freeze. Similarly, you can freeze this column or select B and freeze pen. So if you move, so this first column will be visible like this. One freeze, same, just click on it. And here is the second option, keep top row, keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of content. Just select it. Now scroll down, so we can see this header row is visible. Freeze first column, keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet like this. So thanks for watching.